Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kritika Mathur and I am an astrologer, numerologist, astro consultant and life coach. So in today's video, we're going to discuss about the Libran ascendant and about wealth. So let's find out how Librans can make wealth. So we have already covered from Aries to Virgo. In case you are ascendant from Aries to Virgo, you can watch those videos and you can understand on how to attain wealth through Vastu. But today is about Librans. So let's start the video. So about the Vastu, first of all, astrology and Vastu are very much interlinked. In astrology, we see wealth through the second house, and we see that how much you can attain wealth, how much you can save the wealth that you have, the assets that you have in life. That is what we see through the second house in astrology. So if your second house is strong, you will be able to attain wealth. You will be able to save the money that you receive or that you earn. But if your second house is weak, you will be able to earn maybe, but you will not be able to save that money. You will not be able to accumulate the assets with yourself. Then Vastu is connected through astrology, because in Vastu, the entrance of the house is actually the second house of your horoscope. So if you have to improve your horoscope, the wealth and the second house in your Kundali, you have to improve the entrance of the house. And this is the magic link between astrology and Vastu. So how can Librans attain wealth in specific? Well, first of all, whose horoscope should you consider? Well, the person who stays in the house for the longest duration, that person's horoscope has to be seen. So if it's the man of the house, or it's the lady, or it's the children, their horoscope can be seen. So in this case, that is what you should follow, that whoever stays in the house for the longest duration, that person's Vastu you should see. And it's important that you can consider a floor plan if you have that also. And if you are a Libran ascendant, this is how your horoscope is going to look like. So the second house has number 8 in it, if you see. So usually what you will notice in a Libra ascendant people, if you're not a Libra ascendant and you've been to someone who's a Libra ascendant, they always have something broken in their entrance. Whether it's a light, or it's the lock of the door is not okay, or it's quirky, it's making noise, or maybe it's at the entrance there are flower pots which are broken or which have cracks. Something or the other you will find which is broken at the entrance of the Libra ascendant people. This has to be fixed. There should not be anything which has cracks, or which is broken, or which is in a bad condition at the entrance of your house. Another thing is that you should make sure that when you enter the house, there is a lot of space. There should be a big hall, or at least if it's not big, or it doesn't have so much space, at least you should not clutter your entrance with a lot of things. This is something that you should follow as a Libra ascendant, that your entrance should not have too much stuff put over there, or it should not have too many too many things on the door, or when you enter just behind the door or anything. It should be clear. It should have a lot of space. Once you enter and you see the first thing, it should have a lot of space. You should have a hall or a big room as and when you enter. You should not clutter that space. So as a Libra ascendant, you should follow these things and do these remedies, and let me know how well they work. You can put your comments in your comment section over here, and if you don't know whether you're a Libra ascendant or not, then also you can put your birth details, which should include your full name, place of birth, date of birth and time of birth, in the comment section. I will get back to you surely, and I'll try to inform you that what is your ascendant, so that you can watch the video as per that. So thank you so much for watching for the Libra ascendant video. We are going to be back very soon with Scorpio ascendant people. Stay tuned to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.